Okay, let's take a look at first i10 interior. I would say that it looks much improved over the previous version. There's much more textures, forms. It's pretty neat honeycomb texture. It's not even honeycomb, it's kind of interesting detailing. Continues in the center console. Seats look pretty nice and detailed. Some graphics there in the center. So this is the automated manual transmission. Haven't seen a long time for this. There is wireless charging, USB ports, air conditioning, no reflection there over there, and pretty nice integrated navigation system, infotainment system. 8-inch new steering wheel, much more premium. Not bad at all. Seats feel comfy. Lighting is not the best one here, but let's see. Nice and comfy seats.